Good Monday to you. Of course, it is President's Day, and the real big story today, of course, is the wind. I mean, look at these gusts. We're gusting close to 60 miles per hour, 1,000 feet up at the airport in Worcester. But even down along the south coast, New Bedford gusting over 50 miles per hour. And we are going to have the potential to see the winds gust to 65 miles per hour today, which is why we've got a high wind warning up. This area is shaded in orange. This encompasses a good portion of the area. This is till 1 a.m. and it's a wind advisory for a lot of southeastern Massachusetts with wind gusts potentially to 55 miles per hour. So obviously winds of this magnitude, they're strong enough to bring down some tree limbs, some trees, could cause some power outages. This will be scattered issue, I think, that we deal with throughout the day. You can see that wind is elevated this morning, but look, as we go toward 8 o'clock tonight, it is still gusting around and even over 50 miles per hour in many areas. We get into tomorrow, it's still windy, not the strength of the winds of today, but we're still seeing gusts over 30 and 40 miles per hour. So it is really going to take until Wednesday before the winds settle down. Now, the wind is coming from the west-northwest, and you know how cold it is outside. So that cold air is moving over the lakes, which are still not frozen at this point, and generating these little lake effect streamers. And these will be around throughout the day today. A lot of them dry up as they head into Massachusetts, but don't be shocked, especially out through Worcester County throughout the day. If you get a quick passing snow shower, flurry, shouldn't amount to much, not expecting accumulation, but they will be around throughout the day. Otherwise, it's a blend of sun and clouds, temperatures holding in the 20s all day long in Boston. But look at that wind chill. It's going to feel no higher than the teens right through the afternoon. You may sneak up to around or just over 30 south of town. But again, with the wind, it's going to feel colder than that. Actual low temperatures tonight drop down into the teens in most areas. There could be a few spots far to the north and west that do get into the single digits overnight. But the wind is going to continue as the skies go mostly clear. So the wind chill may drop below zero by around sunrise tomorrow morning in a lot of spots. And that wind chill is going to struggle to get out of the single digits during the day tomorrow. So it's even colder feeling tomorrow with mostly sunny skies. High temperatures only about 20 to 27 tomorrow. And again, that wind just makes it feel colder. Cold air doesn't go anywhere on Wednesday, but the wind finally starts to settle down. So we'll start seeing that wind come down on Wednesday, and we won't have as much wind at the end of the week, but we're going to be eyeing this. This is a storm coming out of the Gulf of Mexico, redeveloping here along the coastline, and it now looks like the jet stream is going to be a little too flat or far south to really direct this up into our area. So with the storm tracking farther south, a lot of the moisture shield is going to miss us. However, we might get just skimmed by some of it here in southeasternmost Massachusetts, and some energy hanging back from the low center. We call this an inverted trough. May set up and produce a few scattered snow showers late Thursday into Thursday night before this pulls away on Friday. So it's not a big impact here locally. I think the heaviest snow is going to be down through the mid-Atlantic states, but we could see a coating to an inch or two of snow across the area, especially in southeastern Massachusetts, coming up on Thursday afternoon and night. Storm pulls away on Friday. We clear things out, and then look at this, a dry weekend coming with some sunshine and temperatures moderating too. We could be pushing up near 40 degrees here again by Sunday.